Having spent considerable time testing the Beelink EQi12 Mini PC with Intel's i5-12000 450H processor, I can confidently say this compact machine punches well above its weight class in most scenarios. The first thing that strikes you is the thoughtful engineering packed into its 4.96-inch square chassis. Unlike bulkier, small form factor PCs, this unit maintains a completely silent operation under normal workloads thanks to its MSC 2.0 cooling system, though intensive tasks will reveal a faint hum that never becomes intrusive. Performance-wise, the 8-core 12-thread processor handles multitasking with ease. During my testing, simultaneous 4K video editing, software compilation, and background Plex transcoding maintained smooth operation, though users should note that sustained heavy loads do cause noticeable thermal throttling after about 20 minutes of continuous use. Where this mini PC truly shines is in server applications. The dual M2 PCIe 4.0 slots surprised me by accepting 4 TB drives despite the manufacturer's 2 TB specifications. Paired with the dual gigabit Ethernet ports, I successfully configured it as a Proxmox host, managing multiple virtual machines and Docker containers. Media server enthusiasts will appreciate the Intel Quick Sync video acceleration, which handled 3 simultaneous 4K-to-1 1080p transcodes without breaking a sweat. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro out of the box is convenient, though serious users will want to wipe this immediately. My Ubuntu installation detected all hardware without issues, and the 24GB LPDDR5 RAM proved more than adequate for containerized workloads. Connectivity options are generous but come with caveats. While the triple USB 3.0 ports and HDMI 2.0 work flawlessly, the DisplayPort requires an active adapter for reliable output. The Wi-Fi 6 performance matches mid-range dedicated routers, though latency-sensitive users will prefer the wired dual LAN configuration. Expansion capabilities exceed expectations. Adding a second SSD took under 5 minutes thanks to the tool-free design, though accessing the RAM slots requires careful prying of the bottom panel. Beelink's enterprise features like Wake on LAN and PXE boot work reliably, though enabling auto power requires contacting support for firmware tweaks. Durability concerns emerged during long-term testing. One unit exhibited random shutdowns after 2 months of 24/7 operation, suggesting potential thermal management issues in sustained workloads. However, the majority of test units maintain stable operation in climate-controlled environments. For office use, the near-silent operation and dual 4K output make it an excellent thin client. Content creators should note that while it handles 4K timeline editing in DaVinci Resolve, complex effects rendering clearly benefits from discrete GPU solutions. The value proposition becomes apparent when comparing price to performance ratios. At this price point, the inclusion of LPDDR5 memory and PCIe 4.0 support is exceptional. However, cost-conscious buyers should consider that the soldered RAM prevents future upgrades. Gaming performance proves limited despite the Iris Xe graphics. While it manages older titles at 1080p, modern AAA games require significant quality reductions. Emulation up to PlayStation 2 works flawlessly, but Switch emulation struggles with frame pacing. Technical support deserves special mention. Beelink's 24/7 team provided clear BIOS configuration guidance within hours of inquiry, though language barriers sometimes complicated complex troubleshooting. The included 1-year warranty can be extended through Amazon's protection plans. Environmental considerations. The 32 WTDP and Energy Star certification make it eco-friendly for always-on applications. Noise-sensitive users will appreciate the sub-35 dB acoustic profile during nighttime backups. In conclusion, the EQi12 excels as a compact server solution and competent office workstation. While not without flaws, its combination of expandability, silent operation, and server-grade features justify consideration for tech enthusiasts and small business owners alike. Just be sure to keep those thermal loads in check during extended workloads.